What's up guys, and welcome to some breaking news. Samsung is cooking a pretty good surprise for everyone with the Galaxy S21 series, but before we talk about that, let's take a look at the official stuff. Samsung is officially back on track. They have officially announced their brand new time-of-flight 3D sensor, aka the ISOCELL Vision 3D sensor. Yes, Samsung is actually calling this 3D. As you guys know, Samsung dished the TOF sensor with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, but now it seems like the TOF sensor is coming back for good. According to Samsung, this new sensor will help a lot in terms of the photography as well as AR and VR applications. It can also do 3D scanning as well as video bokeh effects. The ISOCELL Vision 3D sensor is also capable of tracking moving objects with low latency thanks to its new 4-tap demodulation system technology, which also uses 120 frames per second. That's a lot of nerdy information right there, but what you need to understand is that this sensor will be able to mirror objects around you in 3D more accurately. Samsung further explains that it will have a very low power consumption and it's going to improve the autofocus even more, similar to LiDAR scanner on the iPhone 12 Pro and the Pro Max. As you guys know, one of the big issues with the S20 Ultra camera was its autofocus, so this time around Samsung is definitely not taking any chances. It's very likely that the S21 Ultra will be having this ISOCELL Vision 3D sensor. If you guys remember in the latest leak, we actually have a 5th camera sensor that could very well be a depth 3D sensor. With the addition of this, Samsung can also enable night portrait mode, something that the iPhone 12 Pro can do, and honestly it looks really good, actually noticeably better than the low light portrait shot out of my Note 20 Ultra. Now speaking of Galaxy S21, we have the official launch and event date leaks via John Prosser. John has a pretty straight record when it comes to recent leaks on Apple and Google, so I definitely believe his sources. According to his information, the S21 will be announced officially on January 14th. Most likely it's going to be an online event, and in the same days pre-order will open up, and the whole Galaxy S21 series will arrive in stores on January 29th. He also mentioned colors, which we already know. Ross Young also provided similar information. It seems like the new exciting color with the S21 Ultra will be the violet color. Now let's talk about the nice news of the day. It's been reported that Samsung will not be shipping AKG headphones with the Galaxy S21 family out of the box. They probably won't kill charger this soon, but it has to be the poor AKG headphones. But hear me out. Samsung is actually planning to pair free wireless headphones in the box, which separately has a worth of $150, and you get it for free. For free! This is a very attractive offer, and it's very likely to be in the pre-order window, most likely during the initial sales month for the S21 lineup. I don't think it's going to be a full-time deal, but honestly, it's a lot better than what Apple does with the iPhone 12 series. Recently, Samsung made a trademark of the term Buds Beyond. This could be the successor to the Buds Live. It might come with active noise cancellation, some brand new colors, and of course paired with the S21 series right out of the box, at least in the initial sales month. Now last but not the least, we have some awesome information on the Galaxy Z Flip 2. It's going to be a massive improvement over the original Galaxy Z Flip. According to the information coming from a Twitter leakster, the Galaxy Z Flip 2 could rock a super loud stereo speaker system. Guys, it's already happening. We literally just talked about this in a patent like a week ago, which showed a Samsung phone that has sort of a foldable design with the iPhone 12 style boxy look, but most importantly, it had super loud stereo speaker integration. Something tells me that Z Flip 2 will have some sort of inspiration from this patent concept, whatever you want to call it. Definitely looking forward to this upgrade. So that's all of this news. What do you guys think about the new free Buds Beyond coming with the Galaxy S21 series right out of the box? For the time being, Samsung is making a calm decision that is more favorable to customers, but I feel like with this decision, eventually we're gonna move towards a point where they will eventually dish the charger as well. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.